Assalamualaikum students, this is your English class and I am your teacher Ms. Shazeen. Today we are going to cover our next week of October and the first topic is my egg recipe. Now take out page number 44. Before doing this activity, just sit along with your mother and ask her which type of egg do you like to eat. For example, some kids like boiled egg, some like fried egg and some like omelette. Now in here on page number 44 I have written all the three recipes of the eggs. Now it's all your choice which type of egg and how your mother cooks it for you. In the next question you have to write what is your favorite way of eating eggs. In here you have to write your favorite type of eggs you like to eat. After that, take out page number 44. Here you have to read the sentences, then trace it and then rewrite it on the next line below. After that, take out page number 47, the egg ordering. Now here we have four pictures and below we have four sentences written. We have to write the correct sentence in the correct picture and then we have to arrange them in the sequence, that which step will come on number 1, which step will come on number 2, then number 3 and then number 4. Now after completing this, take out page number 48. On page number 48 we have rhyming words. Rhyming words are the same end sounds. For example, cat, bat, hat, rat, fat. All of these words have the same at ending sound, so they all rhymes with each other. Now on page number 48, underline the words on the right that rhymes with the word on the left. Here you have some words written and you have to underline the word that rhymes with that word. For example, on number 1 we have fat and we have three options: bin, jog, mat. Which word here is the rhyming word of fat? That is mat. So we will underline the word mat here. Now take out page number 49. Here we have a poem written and we have a word bank given. Now you had to complete the poem with the rhyming words in the ending words. Okay, now complete this poem using the word bank. After that, take out page number 46 and that is word blends, word ending in at. Now here you have to trace these words that end at and rewrite them on the line at the end. For example, bat, cat, hat, fat, mat, pat. All of these are the word blends. If we add a word before at, a letter before at, it will make a new word. Now take out page number 48 again. Here you have a copy work below. Use the rhyming words in sentences: pup and cup, night and bright, book and look. Now you have to make sentences of these words, but you have to use pup and cup in a single sentence. Similarly, you have to use night and bright in a single sentence. Now complete the sentences in your copy. Thank you.